Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix payment verification required or payment information required. So if you try to purchase something or try to download and install any app from the App Store, and after that you see this kind of interface, and there is written that you have to provide the verification. So you have to click on continue and sign in to view your billing information. So why this kind of error occurs, so how you can tackle this error. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to simply close this tab, and after that what you have to do, you have to watch these steps carefully. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to turn it off again. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhones. Here you have to click on that, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset, and here what you have to do, you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back, and after that you have to click on settings again, and here you have to click on your name or Apple ID. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go for media and purchases. You have to click on view account, and after that you have to simply check for your payment information, whether you have provided correct payment information. And if you have provided correct, then you have to simply change your payment information. So you can do that simply by clicking on manage payments, which means you have to try to change your payment method if you have provided any. And after that you have to check for the problem again, that whether that kind of toggle appears or not. So in this way you can simply verify your information or verification, which appears when you try to purchase or download and install anything from the App Store. So in this way you can simply toggle this error. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go for the Apple Support or Apple Discussion and ask about the proper solution, and they will provide you a proper solution that can work for you. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.